Okay, now we take a video to show you how to connect the handset with the mobile phone. Okay, now we open the charging box and take the left one. Keep pressing 2 seconds. And then we pick up the right one. Keep pressing 2 seconds also. Okay, you will see the right one showing the blue light and the left one showing the blue and red light twinkles slowly. That means it's well connected. Okay, now we open the phone. And we find the setting. And we open the Bluetooth. And you will see the device named E10. Then connect it. Okay, now it's showing well connected. And for the handsets, it will be only showing the blue light. Okay, now you can enjoy the music.